Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my end of month for December budget. I will also be sharing my end of the year totals. So if you're interested in it, stay tuned. So first I'm going to start by highlighting my expenses. I only had 4 over the last, I think, 2 weeks. One was at Walmart, which was a holiday one. It was $10.32. Another one was also a holiday gift. It was $27.41. I had one more pharmacy prescription pickup, and that was $10.21. And then the last one was personal. It was mechanical pencils I wanted to order, and they had a sale on their website, so I went ahead and ordered those. And that is personal. So next I'm going to transfer all of these into my budget and then total everything up. And the last one was another gift. My brother's gift changed, so I've already added it into this total, so I don't have to write that one down. So now I'm going to add up my categories. So $1,000 for rent, I've already added up. Transportation. We only did one grocery shop this month at $75.56. We need to add these two. $34.75 personal. And pharmacy, $204 plus $10.21. So that was $250. This big charge is for 3 months of prescription, so I'm good for, I think I'm good until February. We didn't spend any money in miscellaneous. I totaled up this month's holiday shopping, and then I did a grand total, so $245. and 32 cents. And then the month prior we spent. So then we're gonna add 136. And total we spent $381 and change. So I'm just gonna say $382, if that makes sense. And that was all the holiday shopping. And so those are my totals. In a minute I'm gonna add everything up. So we have $1,000 for rent, $440.01 for transportation, $75.56 for groceries, $34.75 for personal, prescriptions and health is $250.21. And then I'm gonna add this amount for this month, just this. So we're gonna add in the $245.32. And that makes our total spending for the month $1,649.85. So that's my total in expenses. My income was $1,970. We did save $250 in my emergency savings, and we did pay off these two bills. These two bills this one came out of my savings account. Let's do the difference. $970.66 minus 1,649. And so the difference was $320.81. We did save $250, and that is my closeout for the month of December. I think we did really well. I stayed under budget in holiday shopping. Basically by the week before Christmas, I was done. I didn't spend any more money, and I think that kind of helped. Just not going into the stores, it helped me save. It helped me save on impulse buys. The next thing I am going to share with you is my overall expenses for the year. So next I'm going to show you my cash flow. This is tracked by an app. It's not perfect. The app is called Empower, and I will try to link it below. But my overall income for the year of 2023, $32,106. On average, I brought in about $2,685. Anywhere where you see it being significantly higher, it's just because. So anywhere where you see these outlying ones, it's because I probably got paid at the end of that month for the following month. That's why June is low, September low, and December looks low. So that is my overall income. Next, I'm going to share with you my expenses for the entire year. I'm only going to go over the major ones. So rent was $12,000. My medical expenses were just under $2,000. They were $1,929.14. I think I did really well in groceries. I did get like $300 in rebates for my groceries, so that was kind of cool. And those were all Ibotta rebates. So groceries was $1,723.07. This one is wrong because I purchased appliances, so I need to add about, I'm gonna say $3,000 to that. Let's just change that to a 3. So it's $3,806 for home improvements. Hobbies, which I consider personal money, was $792. That's miscellaneous business. That is also, I'm not gonna go over these. Pet care, My pet passed away this year, but my brother took care of most of that. This was just some of his medications and expenses. Holiday gift giving was $397. Okay, so let's look at the rest of my expenses. This I would consider home maintenance, cleaning supplies. So that was $356. General merchandise, I'm just gonna put as personal expenses. So dues and subscriptions, I think, is kind of like business. Travel is just travel. It was a car service. Fuel is due transportation. This is so low because my brother and I share the car, so sometimes he puts gas in it and sometimes I do. Restaurants and clothing, I didn't buy much. I think this is birthday gifts. So like I said, restaurants is fairly low, clothing was fairly low, office supplies, personal care items, postage was business related. This automotive is parking. So if you look at my total spending, it looks like I only spent about $20,000. I can honestly tell you it was probably more like $25,000, maybe even a little bit more. So that is my end of the year budgeting setup. I am super excited to start a new budget, planner. I'm going to be doing a couple of things pretty differently. Some things are going to change, and I'll talk about that when I do my budget planner setup. I kind of had a preliminary budget in the works. However, as of yesterday, all of that has completely changed. So I'm a little bit behind the wheel on setting that up. I think I'll probably work on it tomorrow or the 1st of January, which makes a lot of sense. I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for hanging out with me. I really appreciate everybody that watches my videos, makes comments. And I hope you're having a wonderful holiday weekend, and I will see you next year.